What's up, guys? So today I was trying to make a crypto trade using my Ledger, and for some reason when I plugged it in, it wouldn't work. Here, let me show you. Tried flipping the cable, tried different cables, even the original cable, with no luck. I tried to research it online and I couldn't find anything really. But I was able to fix it. Let me show you how. So what we need for this is just a small pin, as you can see, and also a business card would be useful for this as well. So here's what we're gonna do. First, you're gonna take off this metal clip. To do that, you just push it outside from here on both sides. Second thing you need to do is, you see this line around the screen here that's sticking out. So we need to take off this cover using a pin from outside the line. So just work your way through it. It's not that hard to take off. So the next thing you need to do is pretty much get a business card and just cut a small piece that's big enough to cover this area right here. So here's my piece that I cut off earlier. I'm gonna place it right on top, and then we're just gonna close it off. Okay, let's test it to make sure it's working. And ta-da! So the reason for this issue is the screen connector is disconnected, and we just use a small card to just make sure it's always in place. Just do one layer. I tried doing multiple layers, but it was too much. So just find you a thick business card and cut a small piece off. And yeah, that's really it. You can then clip this back. You might struggle with it for a bit if you never take it off, so. And let's just make sure it's working. There we go. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.